Hi guys, good evening. This is with another episode for the microbit by the SobSamGames. Do you know who is this guy? Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Subhan.
And who is this guy?
Hi, my name is Sam.
It's Sammy and nickname is Subhan. Will you please explain what you did today for your project?
Today we built a multiplayer microbit.
It's
game.
multiplayer.
Yes, it's multiplayer.
It's a game. Oh really? So who are the multiplayers in this one?
Me and my brother.
And who have this get an idea to make this game?
He made the idea and I programmed it.
Yes, Sammy is. Did you give him the idea?
Yes, I
And
gave him the idea.
and who programmed?
I programmed it.
And which tool you used to program?
I used the online editor makecode.microbit.org.
Oh, and how many microbit we are going to use in it?
We are gonna use 2 microbits.
Sam, do you have an idea what type of this game is? What is the game is going on? What is the idea?
The idea of the game is a multiplayer shooting game.
Oh, multiplayer shooting game. How you are going to shoot using microbit? Oh my gosh! So who is going to show me the code first, or you are going to play? I better we can go for a little code explanation on that one. Okay, yeah, Sam, will you please? You are there, so you are.
I will start from
Oh,
the
it's a big code, is it?
It's very big code. This is on start. We create.
And
my
how many
brother
modules do you?
And
Okay.
my brother and me.
Player 1 and player 2. Okay.
Player 1 and player 2, aka.
And how many groups are there forever? And what is it is doing in button 1?
On button A pressed, P2 change the X for P2 changes and it sends a number, the number 4 to the other microbit, and on button B pressed it moves to the player 2, aka the bottom one, goes right, and radio number 5 is sent.
It means who in this one there are 2 players, is it?
Yes.
Who's the player 1?
Player 1 is the top one and the player 2 is the bottom one.
What? So player 1 is Sob or Sam?
The player 1 is Sam and the bottom one, the player 2 is Sob.
And will you please let me know, Sam, in your who is in this one? Who is player 1? Same.
I am player 1 and I am on the top, and Sob is player 2 and he's on the bottom.
Yeah, it's the same, is it? Basically, in your screen also you are on the top, you are down, is it?
Yes.
And in Sam's screen, this is
Player 2.
this is player 2,
Player
correct?
one,
This
player
is
one.
player 1. Who is this player 1?
Me.
This is Sam's. Okay. And same case, if you is
This is player 1, which is on the top, Y0. This is player 1,
And this
who
is
is
player two.
Sam, and this is player 2, who is me.
Okay, so shall we start to play the game? Is it downloaded in your microbit already, or you are gonna download now?
We are going to download right now.
So you use 2 different laptops by using this one. Is it correct? Correct? No?
Yes.
I mean, you program it by yourself and
Yes, you can use one laptop, but on the one laptop you need both of the codes.
for one laptop you need both codes.
Yes.
And you have to download it. Is completed, is it? For you also completed?
Yes.
Okay, we will share this code also. Okay, for
This
the
is
next one.
Sami. He's
Now they are going to
the
play
right,
this game.
Right and left, and this is me. This is
First
the
show player 1, the Sam. When you move left, and will you please give me space? Okay, can you Sam move left? Okay, so it is shown in the both side, is it?
Yes.
Can you move right side? And the both screen is showing right here. And Sam, so will you please move to the left? Sam, give me space. Yes. So it is moving properly. Okay, great. Okay, so let's play. Okay, what exactly it's doing?
Now that I shot him, now it says
You shoot
you
him.
won.
You shoot him. How? Will you please explain the kid again? You restart. Okay, 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 okay,
If you press button A and B, you can shoot.
okay. Very good. This is Sam's screen. Very good. They are playing. Oh, who lost that one? Let me see.
You win. He won. I lost and he.
It's
I
last.
won.
Okay, start again the game. You
Oh, what happened?
okay?
Okay.
Who win?
You win. I won.
This
and
time he
so-
won again. Oh no, 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 no. We'll see who will win this one. Sam will win or?
You. I won.
Yes. This time Sam.
Lost.
And let us see.
I won.
Both of you.
Both of you, I guess. I guess. Win.
You.
Win. I won. He lost. Start.
Reset.
Reset it. I lost.
Who lost?
I lost.
You.
Win. I won.
He won and
And he
Sam.
lost.
Yes. So guys, have you understand the concept what they are did? Actually, these both guys, if you turn to me, let me explain these two guys what they do. They make a microbit code. What they did, it's both of them are playing the game against each other and shooting. This is like a shooting game. If the player one shoot the other guy and the player two is shooting the player one, so the person who are the player who won this game, the only who got who hit the other one. Okay, so this is one of the initial project. We are going to share it with you. Keep subscribe and we will come back to you with the next version for these games also. I hope you understand and do you like that one.